In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create n8n account. If you're new to n8n, it's a powerful workflow automation platform that lets you connect your apps and build time-saving automations with a visual editor. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your account ready and be looking at the dashboard where everything starts to come together. First, open your preferred web browser and head to n8n.io. Type it directly in the address bar to make sure you're on the official site. Once the page loads, it's a good idea to bookmark it so you can return quickly whenever you need to build or manage automations. On the home page, look to the top right and click the Get Started button. Depending on your screen size or region, it may say something like Get Started or Get Started Free, but it will be clearly visible in that upper corner. Clicking it takes you straight into the sign-up flow. Next, begin your account registration by entering your company email. This is typically your work address with your organization's domain. Using a company email helps keep your workspace aligned with your team and can make collaboration and access management smoother. You'll be asked to confirm it, so double-check for typos and make sure both entries match exactly. Then, continue with the setup process by following the on-screen prompts. The exact fields may vary, but the flow is straightforward. If there are any optional fields you're unsure about, you can usually skip them and return later from your account settings. After you finish the setup, you'll be taken to your n8n dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can start adding your credentials and creating workflows. Credentials are the secure connections to the tools and services you use, things like CRMs, spreadsheets, or messaging apps. So n8n can talk to them on your behalf. Keep those details secure and add only what you need for the workflows you plan to build. Take a moment to look around the dashboard. You'll typically see options for workflows, credentials, and sometimes templates or examples that can help you get started faster. If you see a guided tour, it can be helpful to click through it to learn where everything lives. When you're ready, you can create a new workflow, connect your credentials within the dedicated section, and begin automating tasks that used to take you hours. And that's it. Go to n8n.io, click Get Started, register with your company email and confirm it, continue through the setup, and you'll land right on the dashboard, ready to build. Thanks for watching, and enjoy automating with n8n.